A gate stop helps to prolong the life of your gate and can be installed in just a couple of minutes. Our gate stop is just one of our many unique accessories. Our product kit includes one gate stop and hardware. For this project you'll need drill and drill bit, nut drive bit, a pencil, and safety glasses. Boerboel hardware is designed for use on many different types of gates, including vinyl, aluminum, and wood. So check the hardware and material you're drilling into to determine the drive type and drill size. The hardware shown in this video may be slightly different than your kit, depending on the application. Installing is simple. First, determine where you want to position the gate stop. It usually goes in the middle or at the bottom of the gate. Make sure the gate stop is facing the post. Next, mark and pre-drill the holes. And attach and secure the gate stop using the 3 screws provided in the kit. Simple as that. For more information or to view and download written instructions for the Boerboel Gate Stop, visit boerboelgatesystems.com.